Bring back in National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, I was asking you because you were a public defender, defense attorney. Is it common for police to do this, these shenanigans where you're talking to a witness and acting like you're lying, you're not telling us the truth? Well, we wanted to arrest you, but I'm trying to convince them not to. Is this typical?
100%. It reminds me of a meeting I had with a federal, with the U.S. attorney, with a client, where the U.S. attorney came in and said, listen, I'm going to tell you something. He was talking to my client. All these investigators in the room, they're allowed to lie to you. They're allowed to manipulate you. They're allowed to say whatever they want to get any information from you. I'm an attorney. I'm not allowed to do it. So I'm going to tell you the truth. It's typical. It's exactly how the profession works. I'm not saying I agree or disagree with it, but that is exactly how it works. It's completely typical. They're competitive people, just like anybody else in that career, and they have difficult jobs. So they do whatever they can to elicit, and a lot of them make a decision and a determination by looking at a person. You've done it. I just got to figure out how. It's very typical. It's sad, but it's typical, and that's the way it happens.
And they're allowed to do it so long as they do not violate the constitutional rights, of course, of the individual.